In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a domain name to your Wix website. So for that, you want to sign into Wix. I'll just open up a random website. I'll go with this one, and then I'll show you how you can connect a domain name to your website. So all you need to do is go into your dashboard just like this, and then right there, you should see domain not connected, and you can then, let me just get rid of this, right there click on connect domain. They will then send you over to this page where you can get a domain name for your site. So there are two options. You can buy a new domain name, or you can connect a domain that you already own. So it's up to you guys which option you would like to choose. Now let's say that I don't have a domain name yet. I can click right there. I can then type in the domain name that I would like to get. For example, maybe I want to get how to digital youtube.com. You then click search. They'll then show you that that website, like that domain name, is actually available. You can then click on get it right there, click right there, and you can then go ahead and purchase that domain name, and you'll then link it to your Wix account. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.